saying it, you meet the nicest people. I don't know Tag and Kennedy all that well, but as I've gotten to know them, man, what a great father-daughter team. Love seeing that, supporting each other. So I wish I saw more of that, and I'm glad when I do. So thank you, Marlowe's. So Kennedy right there, 219.7, 211 in the other STO there. Up on deck, I got a couple German cars. Brandon in the GT3 RS.
Oh, man, that's a beautiful car.
Love those. Eric Anderson in that BMW Z4. Still going topless.
Someone's got to tell him to put that top on.
I think somebody needs to warn him. He's not going any faster, topless. Or is he?
Or is he?
He's sneaking. Oh, he's going to go around. That's going to be a bigger mile an hour in the Z4 with the top down.
That is crazy.
Than the GT3 RS. Wait for it.
Eating my words right now.
Yeah, me too. 157.2 for Eric in the Z4. Topless, no less. 143.1